Alright folks, today we're going to be doing some plumbing. I'm going to be running the sink drain, the shower drain, and I'm also going to be installing the dump valve on the gray tank. So, I've got a few things from Lowe's. I think just about ready. I'm going to have to actually pull the tank down, and then we'll have to drill some holes in the floor. I'm actually going to be running the sink drain right into the very top of the tank. Shower drain is actually going to have to come in from the side, and then the dump valve, I think I'm probably going to put the dump valve maybe like right in the center in this area somewhere. I'm not quite sure yet. I'll figure something out. Okay guys, a little update. We've drilled the hole for the dump valve. This uni-seal here is for a 3-inch pipe. That's what the Valterra dump valve is. I think that's pretty universal for RV dump valves, is 3-inch. But this seal just pops into a 4-inch hole. Cut it with the hole saw, and then I'm going to put a 3-inch pipe inside the hole, and that will create pressure inside here that will keep this inside the tank and create a seal. I'm probably going to go ahead and put a little bit of sealant around these edges just to be safe. But I'll probably have to bevel the pipe too, because these are really tight. And I might use a little bit of Dawn or something like that to get the pipe to slide down in there. And I'm only going to go in the tank, you know, maybe 2 inches or so, and then we'll be sticking out just enough to where this is actually almost flush with the outside of the bus here. I'm going to cut just a circle, half circle out here, so that I can not lose any ground clearance and be level with the tank up there. But this is gonna not stick out, you know, it'll be more close to the bus there. But be back in a minute. All right, dump valve is on, permanent, glued. Uni-seal's in. We're glued to our Valterra dump valve. I notched the body here so that I could make it nice and clean looking. And I got it pulled up so that the glue doesn't dry onto the hatch there, just in case. Next is shower drain, and we got to cut a hole for the sink drain. But I'm waiting on some parts from Amazon, and they're supposed to be here by now, and they ain't. All right, we are finished. So, sewer hose holder, that boy goes in there. Dump valve, shower drain, HEPA valve. That was as tall or as high up on the tank as I could get it. The sink drain comes in from the top of the tank. And we're just running a regular P-trap on it and going straight down into the top of the tank. Everything's got a constant grade. Everything is draining. So I think it was pretty rough, to say the least. Even being a plumber, it sucked, but we got her done.